Make 65% in 24 days. How to make money selling options. Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. Today is Tuesday, July the 31st. We closed another contract, 4 contracts of MYL at 14 cents. If you remember the video that I put out back in July 6th for Disney and MYL, we already lost on Disney. MYL, we sold it at 40, and today we bought it back at 14 cents. So let's see, let's do the math. 40 minus 14 cents divided by 4. 65%. How many days? 6th to 31st is 24 days. In 24 days, 65%. That's not bad. On Disney, so far, since I put all the videos back in a couple of months, this is the only loss we had. Knock on wood. We sold it at 99, bought it back at $2.60. 13 days, we lost $300, $322 to be exact. But everything else so far we won. By the way, the reason we closed MYL is because earnings are coming soon. Let's see. MYL, August 8th. So in about 8 days, the earnings are coming up. So 7 to 10 days before the earnings come out, the options just don't depreciate much. So it's a risk hanging on to them. So just close the contract and move on to another one. There are more opportunities in other stocks or ETFs. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Happy trading. Trade a lot. Do it in your paper account until you get a hang of this. Talk to you later.